I generally have a policy against pissing on hard work, and this was indeed hard work. Wendy devolved from likable, someone who was a victim, into a supervillain, like Poison Ivy. She kills without remorse, and not for self-defense.
Did you just compare me to that little robot with the toxic pet?
She lets her pet alien massacre multiple people, and is angered when the alien is stopped. She's angered when Nibs is stunned by her brother, after savagely killing an innocent man by ripping off part of his face. At least Nibs had gone insane. Wendy seems calculated. By the way, there is no rule that androids have to be stronger than humans. They can be as strong as us, or only strong enough to get around if we don't trust them. Some can have emergency strength to save us, but if we really don't trust them, we won't even do that. This was explored in The $6 Million Man, when the $7 million man proved to be sadistic and power-mad. Wendy seems perfectly sane and hasn't abused her strength, but she has abused her power over the alien. And while Boy Cavalier is evil and deserves everything he gets, Wendy has registered undeserved venom from her perspective. She hasn't gone through any trauma. They had great living conditions, as Curly pointed out, and again, they were given a second chance at life. It would be great to see her discover how evil Boy Cavalier truly was, and ultimately kill him or allow him to die. But the moment should be earned. And it should be earned, not by him, but earned by her. Boy Cavalier should put her through hell first, kill her siblings, try to kill her, or, the ultimate, kill her brother. We know the entire island is incinerated or destroyed because Earth survives for at least 59 years since the original Alien movie happens 2 years later in 2122, and Ripley then sleeps for 57 years. And let's not forget that Alien Resurrection took place 200 years into Ripley's future, with an intact Earth. We know that if the aliens escaped this island, Earth would be transformed within a year. What does this mean? We need a lot of action now. The saga of how brave heroes saved Earth, not only from an infestation of xenomorphs, but from a number of invasive alien species. In a realistic scenario, a unified planet would undoubtedly vanquish xenomorphs. If a creature disembarked, killed a dozen people, and one was captured, we wouldn't intentionally breed more, especially knowing their rapid population growth. They wouldn't be valued. They'd be perceived as an existential threat, a disease. They would resort to extreme measures, including multiple nuclear strikes. This isn't some isolated ship or some colony in space.
This is Sparta!
The fundamental flaw in many sci-fi narratives is prioritizing the study of a beautiful invasive thing in a lab at any cost, regardless of human casualties. This contradicts how governments actually operate. Their paranoia is practical. No people, no kingdom, no revenue. They would sacrifice half a nation to eliminate the alien and guarantee its total eradication.